Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to show you how to make a thumbnail that you're going to need when you upload your video to YouTube. Hang around, show you how to do it. Make a thumbnail. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to open Vegas Pro right here. As soon as that opens, we'll create us a thumbnail in here. I'll show you how we do it. There we go. Picture. I made a picture up here of me in front of the PC. Pull that down here. I'm going to enlarge that a little right there. Now what I'm going to do is hit Alt 9. That opens the titles and stuff. I need a solid color. I'm going to get a white background. May not need it, but we're going to check just to make sure, okay? Now I'm going to go titles and text right there. I like this one right here. Come up here and put it right above the video. That way it'll put the title over it, okay? I'm going to make this probably a size 20, bold, italics, center. All right. Let's see. We'll call this How to Upload a video to YouTube. All right. Let's get that out of the way. Move him over here. Now you can see it's just a little bit too long. So what we're going to do is come in here and do that. We'll go over here and grab a hold of it. We can move it right there. I'm going to go right here now and tell that to be yellow. That's the font color. See how it turned it yellow? Now if I come down here where it says outline, highlight that and say red. And I like it to be about a size 15. Look at there. How to upload a video to YouTube. I think what we're going to do is come in here and do this. There we go. How you like that? That's me in front of the PC. How to upload a video to YouTube. Now up here at the top, see right here that little disc? Click that. Go tell it where you want to save this thumbnail. Here. Here. Make a thumbnail. Here. Save it. Now if you go back over here where it says make a thumbnail, there's my thumbnail right there. So you see how that's done? If you don't have something like a nice editor here, then you may have to use Windows Paint or something like that. Won't be quite as good, but you can still do it. Alright, there's your thumbnail. We're going to go be able to paste that up when we upload the video, and we're ready to go. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.